Hi, welcome to Frank and Frank Auto Repair. My name is Dylan and I film, edit, and am included in most of the videos on this channel. What you'll find here is walkthroughs on car repairs, fixes on all sorts of vehicles, and general maintenance advice. We want to provide tips and tricks for both do-it-yourselfers and mechanics. The reason we started the channel was to fill in the knowledge gaps that as mechanics we have as far as information that's provided to us by dealerships, and for all the do-it-yourselfers that are looking for fixes that aren't really available anywhere else. We're trying to compile a lot of videos in our library for you to enjoy. If you're interested in all this, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support.